tutorial how to make a Van de Graaff generator, also called electrostatics generator. It is most powerful electrostatic generator and uses for advanced science. Procedure of making: firstly, 4 inch PVC pipe, cut the hacksaw and handmade puller and uh, and a fan motor in the household. This is a rubber belt and it's connected to upper puller. This is moving parts and also moving, and completely tight each other. This is the hole, and this hole near to the lower puller, that means motor puller. This is a conductor as a comb, and its its insulation burned by fire. It's connect to the lower side. As like as a as a as a comb, metal comb, and this comb connect to lower side and fixed by super glue. Near to the rubber belt. And this is a base used for vibration protected base. This is upper conductor comb, and near to the upper puller. Lower part fixed by a support and block. This is the rubber and this point. Use for okay. This is 9 volt DC battery. This is positive and this is negative. Positive, connect. Okay, we have to connect this point, positive battery positive source, connect to this point. So positive source is connect this point, and DC negative source connect to the ground. This is a spherical shape steel pot. This pot have to connect the top this position. So viewer, when AC source is connected to the motor, and motor should be run and drive the lower puller, and puller connect this conductor near the puller, and puller connected to the rubber belt to the upper puller. This conductor connected to the upper near the upper puller. When DC positive source connect to the lower comb, and positive charge follow this by this conductor, and rubber belt moving to the upper to lower. This continuous process. Positive charge move on upper puller, and upper puller near the conductor goes on this sides, and this spherical steel pot place top of the place. After sometimes electrostatic charge is created, and after more times, most most uh, big amount of electrostatic force is generated. So it's called Van de Graaff generator or electrostatic generator. So viewers, let's go. So viewers, this AC motor connect to the AC source. This is control switch. So you are electrostatic force is generate and increase. Please follow this condition. Oh, so we can stop. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel, and next time very important technical video uh, invented by me. Thank you. Thanks to all.